Hello, and welcome to Dream Interpretations. Today, we are exploring one of the most exhilarating and universal experiences in the dream world, the act of flying. Have you ever found yourself soaring above the clouds, feeling completely weightless and free? While these dreams can feel like pure magic, they often carry profound messages from your subconscious mind about your current state of being. Psychologically, flying dreams are frequently linked to a sense of freedom or a much-needed release from the pressures of daily life. If you are gliding effortlessly through the air, it often suggests that you have successfully risen above a challenging situation in your waking life or have finally gained a clear, new perspective on a long-standing problem. It reflects a high level of personal confidence and the realization of your own untapped potential. However, if you find yourself struggling to stay airborne, flapping your arms frantically, or feeling a deep-seated fear of falling, it might indicate a perceived lack of control or a subconscious worry that your current success is unstable or unearned. From a spiritual perspective, the act of flying represents a profound connection to the higher self and the divine. It is often seen as a powerful symbol of transcendence, where you are moving beyond the physical limitations of the material world to reach a higher state of consciousness. In many ancient traditions, this is interpreted as the soul's yearning for growth, liberation, and ultimate enlightenment. It suggests that you are finally ready to expand your horizons and explore the unseen possibilities of your spiritual existence. We must also consider the mechanics of your flight. Are you using your arms like wings, or are you simply levitating through pure willpower? Flying with significant physical effort might suggest that your current achievements are the direct result of hard work and persistence. In contrast, natural and effortless flight suggests that you are in a state of flow, perfectly aligned with your true purpose. Pay close attention to the landscape beneath you as well. Flying over a calm, blue ocean represents emotional peace and clarity, while soaring over a bustling city might reflect your social ambitions and career goals. Whatever the scenery, a flying dream is a powerful call to recognize your personal power. Your subconscious is telling you that you have the internal strength to rise above any obstacle.